Hi, I'm Rochelle Robinette, the founder of Supernatural, a plant-based wellness company, and today I'm going to show you how to make dopamine bean bliss balls. The dopamine in these bliss balls comes from Mucuna pruriens, otherwise known as dopamine bean, which is a legume native to tropical Asia and Africa. Dopamine is one of our feel-good neurotransmitters. It's what we get a shot of when we get a like, or a hug, or we fall in love, or you get the picture. In the wild, Mucuna prurien, which looks like a bean, is covered in these tiny hairs that are so high in serotonin, if you brush up against it, you'll get a little skin rash. When it's dried and ground, Mucuna prurien is about 15% L-DOPA, and L-DOPA is a direct precursor to dopamine in our body, so it's helping support our body's natural production of dopamine. It can raise our mood a little bit, it can give us a little bit of energy, but it feels quite different than caffeine. It's not quite as high, and for some people, Mucuna prurien can actually help with sleep. This recipe is a great way to get a little bit of dopamine on the go. Each ball is a single serving. You can have them in the morning for breakfast, you can have them midday or in the afternoon, you need a little snack. Anytime you feel like you want a little bit of feel good. All right, let's make these dopamine bean bliss balls. 1/3 of a cup pitted deglet dates, 2/3 of a cup cashews, ideally soaked for about 4 hours, 2/3 of a cup gluten-free oats, 1/8 of a teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 teaspoons Mucuna pruriens powder, and we're ready to blend. We'll blend all of that in a blender or a food processor until it's a nice smooth dough. Roll that dough into little balls, and this recipe will get you about 10 balls of this size. Dust your dopamine bean bliss balls with cinnamon or vanilla powder or any other spices that you like. You can also add a little bit more Mucuna prurien powder to the balls if you like. And then we want to store these in the freezer until it's time to serve. Subscribe to Well & Good's YouTube channel for more episodes of Plant Based.